2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.